Perhaps one of the most interesting thing about the way Roman sees his world. Roman is our Harris's hawk. You can tell almost before I even tell you where this bird is from. He is from the desert Southwest, Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, even into Central and South America. And you can see that superb blending coloration, that camouflage. And to do that, you really need three things to set you apart from the rest of the avian world. First off, and we'll bring his toes back down here. Y'all check out his toes. Roman has got extremely sharp, powerful claws on the end of his feet called talons. Those talons, coupled with a hooked and curved beak, are Roman's knife and fork. That's how he makes a living. Being a bird of prey, he makes a living eating entirely meat. So he likes to eat things like rats, mice, snakes, lizards, squirrels, small children, rabbits, and even other birds. The bird wasn't always a shoo-in, though, for the national symbol slot. There was another bird that Ben Franklin preferred.
Turkey.
The turkey. Isn't that great? I love turkeys, but the reason he said that the bald eagle was not suitable is he said that bald eagles were birds of low moral character.